What is going on, people? Today we've got another video review, and that is going to be the Jordan 4 in this Canyon Purple colorway, aka the Travis Scott Friends and Family Poor Man's Edition, apparently. But yeah, let's get into the video. Now these actually released on the sneakers day. I think it was earlier in August sometime. I think it was up to 15th or something. I managed to actually cop these on the Live app. I think they dropped as a shop drop or something in the morning or wherever it was, and managed to get my size. Luckily, I thought these were going to be a women's size, just literally up to 9.5, which is my size anyway, but they did release an extended sizes on the sneaker app. Now I'm just going to get straight into the materials of this shoe. On the lateral and the medial side, it comes in this very soft to the touch nubuck suede. It's very similar to the UNC 4s that come out a lot long ago, but I'd say this suede is definitely a lot more softer to the touch. It's a bit more ruggedy as well. Midsole, it basically comes in this speckled green, and I think that's a really nice touch to it. It makes it look like a sort of like, gives it like a toxic colorway kind of vibe, which is pretty cool to see. Comes with a spare of black laces as well. The suede is really soft. It feels really nice. I'm just a bit worried about that fading or getting a bit discolored like the UNCs did, you know. But overall, the shoe, the build, everything looks very solid for Mike. There's no quality control issues on this pair, luckily, so yeah, I'm actually very happy with that. When it comes to the sizing, I'd say definitely go true to size when it comes to Jordan 4s. The recent ones have been fitting a bit tight recently. I'd definitely say you could probably get away with half size up if you really wanted to. But for me, these fit perfect. I'd definitely say when it comes to these, go true to your size. When it comes to the price, I paid $180, I think it was, or $189 on the sneakers app. Yeah, I'd say they're definitely worth the price. The materials are definitely up there with some of the better shoes they've produced recently. It's a different shoe. I mean, you will see like a black shoe, a grey shoe, or like a little blue shoe come out, and then Nike decide to just throw this cannonball out of nowhere. And I think it's actually pretty sick. Like, it has a lot of character to it, and I can see myself pretty much wearing these on the Halloween type of vibes, you know. But yeah. Anyway, guys, I've gone over the materials, I've gone over the size, and I've gone over the price of the shoe. And I'm going to throw these on feet for you, and hopefully enjoy the rest of the video. And if you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the thing. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video.